So if you are a small business owner, it is probably going to be helpful for you to have some type of scheduler option, whether you're a service provider and you want to have consultation calls or just free discovery calls. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes with DocCal, which is a newer type of scheduler, and immediately I was drawn to it as a designer because I loved their logo. So it goes to show you, branding does make a difference. So you want to make sure that you have a calendar connected. I connected Google Calendar so that they can check for conflicts. Whatever calendar you use for your personal life as well as your business, make sure that's connected. And then continue. What I love about this kind of program is they make it very user friendly. I also love suggesting Flowdesk as an email marketing because I just felt like using MailChimp and MailerLite just was a little bit more technical than maybe I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be super easy for my clients when I suggested it. So kind of the same thing with DocCal. And if you are looking at an email service provider, I will link below some information about Flowdesk. And I also have a little coupon code for that. And I also have a coupon code for DocCal. You can get 50% off for the first 6 months if you have this, but you can try it out for free and have your first like scheduler thing that I'll show you. And that's free forever. So anyway, set up your availability. We're just going to go with this really quickly. And then this is where you can really personalize the calendar. So I love their templates. I think they're great. You can even enter in your color palette, which is awesome. Definitely was just doing that. Perfect. We'll just finish that up. And here are some example of booking pages that you can create. So you can always use these as like a landing page type of thing. So here's kind of an example of what it might look like. You can have someone book, the type of meeting if that's what you wanted to have set up, and super easy. They just click it, add their name, information, and confirm it. Once they confirm, it says they will receive a confirmation email and calendar invitation, which is right here. That's what it looks like. Very simple, very clear. Love that for the customer as well. Of course, you can go in and edit the page and connect Zoom if that's what you use. I use Google Meet, so we're just going to leave that as is. But you can edit the description, going into advanced, things like that. If you are someone that has like a 30-minute and they pay for it, you can even accept payments, which is great. They accept Stripe, so you can connect that account there and use that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can embed this on a Showit website or any type of really website. So you can create a blank page with Showit. Let's select a new page, and you can always go to the Showit library and see these free designs and just take one of their contact pages if they have one. There we go. So you could use this. Let's say, okay, great, that looks awesome. Add that. You might want to apply your fonts and colors. You might not. But just remember that if you do this method, you will have to add in your header and footer. That's super important. So I'm actually just going to go back to my current site and take one of my really basic pages that have my footer and my header, and I'm going to add that. So here it is, right here it is. And I like to design just desktop first. So we'll just delete all that. And all you have to do is add a code block. So down here, you can go to embed code, and then we need to get the code from .com. So if this is the integration I've designed, it looks great. I would then come up here to generate an embed, and you can choose if you want it to be like a standard type of thing or like the full screen. I just want it to be standard, and just copy this and double click, paste it, and it will embed it into here. So people can schedule it. Make sure you adjust it however you want it. You might need to drag down your canvas a little bit. And then, of course, as you might know, if you use Showit, you need to go over to mobile and fix it on mobile as well. But whether you're on Squarespace or whatever it is, just if you're on Squarespace, same type of thing. You're adding a code block, and you're just putting that code in. You might have to keep dragging to get it to where you want. And then make sure you click publish. So very easy. Loving how streamlined DocCal is. If you want 50% off the first 6 months, go ahead and use the code. I will link it below.